Hello, it's me. It's Mary. This beautiful platter that you see right here in front of you, I am about to serve up a cauliflower southern deep fried steak. That is cauliflower. And there's a story behind this beautiful platter. But I'll get to that in a minute. Like I said, this is cauliflower, and I am about to have myself a deep fried cauliflower steak and onion. And to top it off, there's going to be some gravy. Excuse me for bumping this tripod, but I'm doing the best I can. Now, that's my onion. And I'm also going to sprinkle on, just hang in there with me, I'm going to sprinkle on some ranch. You can season it however you choose to. Now, this morning I just think I choose to have some ranch on here. And a little bit of onion powder. And like I said, there's a story behind this platter, which is a blessed story. This platter belonged to my mother, who just passed away and was just laid to rest last week. And I decided that whatever I have, I will be using. But in honor of her, I am making myself a deep fried cauliflower steak and onions. And to top it all off, I'm about to put some homemade gravy over this. I have been eating out a lot, but this morning I decided I would treat myself to some home-cooked food. And I decided it would be southern deep fried country cauliflower steak. And you know what? I've heard most of my life, everything's better with bacon. I invite you to try it. You might not want to put the bacon on, but this morning, it's what I want. Fried bacon, country style cauliflower steak, onions, and gravy. I know it looks really good, but I wanted to share that with you this morning. And this tripod is just wobbling. And you have a great day. And like I always say, do practice kindness. You never know what a person is going through. It's not just a video, but it's a thought. Have a blessed day. Until the next time, it's me, Mary.